Hey guys, I'm Biswajit. I'm back with another video. I'm your SSIS technical expert. So I had promised like I'll be creating step-by-step tutorial for SSIS so that you people will not face any kind of difficulties to learn SSIS. And if you're a fresher, then this is the best tool to learn so that you'll get yourself placed in software industries and with big companies like TCS, Microsoft, Capgemini, IBM, all those whatever the big companies you're hearing. So they all are using this tool so that if you learn this tool, then it will be easier for you to get a job in those companies and with the even for with best package, best salary. So here you go, and here's the opportunity for you to learn this technology. If you are struggling to get a job in software industry, then this is the best tool to learn yourself and to place yourself in a big company. So today we'll discuss about what is SSIS, and I'll introduce you people with SSIS and MSBI. So MSBI is nothing but Microsoft Business Intelligence. It is the full form of MSBI. That is how this tool is designed and developed by Microsoft. This is the Microsoft sponsored tool. So MSBI consists of three tools actually. So MSBI is not a tool, but MSBI consists of three tools. That is SSIS, SSRS, and SSAS. So MSBI, the business intelligence, comes with one ETL tool, that is SSIS, SQL Server Integration Service. Then MSBI comes with one reporting tool, that is SSRS, that is SQL Server Reporting Service. Then MSBI comes with another analytics tool, that is SSAS, SQL Server Analysis Service. So these are the three tools which combinedly called as MSBI. So if you learn, if you come to SSIS part, SSIS is called as SSIS or ETL tool. It is also called as an ETL tool. So in the market, you'll find different ETL tools, developed by different companies. Like from Microsoft, the ETL tool called SSIS. For Informatica, the ETL tool called Informatica. Then there is other ETL tools like Ab Initio or data stage. All those ETL tools are designed by different companies. But if you search in Google top 5 ETL tools available in the market, then SSIS will be the number one tool. So this is the best tool for you people to learn. ETL, so now if you're a fresher, if you don't have any IT background, then you'll be thinking of what is an ETL. So in the simple word, ETL is nothing but extract, transformation, and load. Now, what is extract? Extract is nothing but to extract a data. So extract, transformation, load, it's primarily telling you like extract the data from any source, transform them or modify them, and load them to any destination. So now what is the source? Source means it could be any text file, like extract. Now you have a bunch of data in a text file, and you want to load them to a table, to a SQL Server table, or an Oracle table, or to an Excel file, to an text file, by by filtering the data or by cleaning the data. So to achieve all those things, you can use SSIS. Like SSIS will read the data from your source. It will transform the data. Like it will combine it can combine your columns. It can transform like many ways. We'll discuss that in deeper part in the latter part. So it will transform like. So now just imagine like transformation means it will modify. It will clean your data, and then it will load your data to as your desired destination. Your destination again would be any text file, any Excel file, any SQL Server table, any Oracle table. So this is the main functionality of ETL tool, right? So how you'll now the next part would be how to install SSIS. So SSIS, you don't have to install SSIS exactly. You can install SQL Server Management Studio, that is SSMS, your SQL Server. So while installing SQL Server, there is a checkbox which will ask you like whether you want to install SSDT along with SSMS. So once you'll click on that checkbox, then SSDT, that is your MSBI, will install by default. So how to install SQL Server Management? There are SQL Server Management Studio. There are so much of videos available in YouTube, in Google. You can check that, and you can install SSMS, and also SQL Server Data Tool you can install. So in Google, simply you can tile, if you can type so you'll find so much of links like this, and you can follow those links, and you can download SSDT or SSMS, so that and you can install that software. Once your software will be installed, then it will go to all programs. Now the latest version of MSBI is 2017, that is running now in 2017. But so it will be more complicated for you, so I'll be giving you demo in 2012. Also I have 2008, but that is now expired, that is very old version now. Now most of the companies are working in Microsoft SQL Server 2012 or 2017 version. So I will be giving you training on 2012. So once you install SQL Server Management Studio, then once you go to all program and you click on Microsoft SQL Server 2012, you will find SQL Server Management Studio has been installed. And since I had checked that SQL Server Data Tool section, so here you can see like SQL Server Data Tool also installed by default, right? So once you click on SQL Server Data Tool, it will open your SQL Server Data Tool environment. So once this screen will come up, so you have to go to file, you have to click on new, then you have to click on project. So here it will ask you like what project you want to create, whether you want to create an integration service project, or else you want to build your ETL package, or you want to build your reporting package, or you want to build your analysis package. So now we are learning SSIS, so I'll be clicking on integration service project, right? Then here in the name section, it is asking you to give a name, give a proper name of your work. So now I'm giving SSIS demo, so I'll be giving SSIS demo, right? And in the next section, in the location section, it is asking you where you want to save your project. So here you can click on browse, and you can give your desired path where you want to store your project. Then solution name, here by default it will take this name as your solution name, and also you can change this name to your desired name. Then click on OK. It will open your SSIS project environment. So now once it will open, what you are seeing now, so in the right side, the SSIS toolbox is giving you all the tasks, all the it is the tool which by using which you will design your ETL package. So it contains tasks, it contains containers. So by using this, you will be designing our ETL packages, right? So one by one I will be giving you, I'll be explaining you like what these tasks are doing. I'll be giving you a demo, I'll be running. Then once I will cover up everything, all the tools, then I'll be giving you a project. I'll be explaining you a project so that you people will learn like in the real time how we are working in the company, how ETL package has been developing, and how you people in the real time, in real life, how this ETL tool will be useful, how we are working on this. All this will be I'll be explaining. Once we'll cover up all the tasks so that you people will be familiar. You people will be familiar with the names. I'm requesting you people to install this software, and you will just open this SSIS package and just remember these names like data flow task, execute SQL task, then bulk insert task, data profiling task. You just memorize these names so that it will be helpful for you in the latter part. Then I'll be explaining what these tasks are doing. Then in the right side you are seeing that solution name which we have given as SSIS demo. Then parameter connection manager, SSIS package. Under SSIS package will be you know it is package.dtsx. Then so here this package you can also this name also you can change. So SSIS package extension is dtsx, right? So whatever SSIS package you will be developing, like where for the text file the extension is .txt, like this for SSIS package the extension will be .dtsx, right? Now here we are seeing, if you see in the middle part we are seeing 5 panes, like 5 tabs, that is control flow, data flow, parameter, event handler, package explorer. So today I'll be explaining you what is control flow. What is control flow? Control flow is nothing but the area where we are controlling the flow of our SSIS package. So SSIS package flows from from one source to destination, or that will be handled by the DFT. In the control flow you will be using these tasks, like we'll be using data flow task, we'll be using execute SQL task, we'll be using execute process task. So I'll so don't be afraid. So if people will learn like how these things will be using once we'll start fully once I'll start explaining the tasks, then people will be more you know familiar. It will feel you more easier, like what are the things I'm just showing you, like what is, while I'm talking you the flow of tasks. In control flow we are controlling the flow of tasks. Flow of tasks means, for example, you want to run this execute process task after this BFT. In that case what you have to do, you have to control the flow. If you have to this is called precedence constraint. So you just have to this arrow mark, you just have to join. Now you want to run this execute SQL task after this execute process task, then you have to join this arrow to this. So in this way we can control the flow of execution of our SSIS package. So these things is handled by control for task, and this arrow is called precedence constraint. You just remember this name, precedence constraint. Like in interview, the interviewer can ask you what is precedence constraint. So you can tell them like precedence constraint is nothing but the the flow through precedence constraint we can control the flow of our SSIS package. In the control flow tab, we can join one task to another by using precedence constraint. So these things you can you will be so in this way we are controlling the flow of execute SQL task, or we can controlling the flow of our SSIS package, right? So this is called control flow. Okay, so my video is now getting longer. So in the next video I'll be explaining you all the tools available in SSIS toolbox. So we'll be starting with DFT in the next class. Till then, you install this SQL Server Data Tool and SSMS in your laptop, so that in the next session while I'll explain you DFT and I'll give you demo, so that you can practice. You can also practice yourself, so that it will be easier for you to learn and to understand what is SSIS. So if you have not yet subscribed my channel, then do subscribe, and press the bell icon to get the latest video from my end. And I'll be giving you descriptions. In the description I'll be giving you links if you want to install SSIS and SSMS. You can in the YouTube comment section you can drop me your comment, so that I will update that description with the links. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and I'll see you in the next class.